All right, we have Jackson here. He's one of my clients. He was able to secure business funding for his business, and he was able to, I guess we'll find out how it changed his life. So, Jackson, tell me a bit about your background, a bit about yourself, and what got you interested in securing business funding.
Yeah. Hey, thanks, Ches. Thanks for having me. Yeah, just I've always wanted to start my own business ever since I started going to school a couple of years ago. I just looked into a lot of different business ideas, business opportunities. I did sales, some network marketing, different stuff like that, um, and really kind of just came across some different business things here and there. But really, when I came across uh, really got into the trading side of things, trading business and stuff. And yeah, that's kind of what sparked my interest in being able to have something flexible, but being able to actually make a good income as well. And looked into that, but the thing for me was in the position was I didn't have the funds to get things going. So I was, you know, patiently just trying to save up, a little bit of money here, some money there. But yeah, it was just super slow. I was trying to get some funds. For those people that know, just kind of invest in a prop firm, stuff like that. And yeah, I did until I kind of came across you in the community that we were in. So you gave a little presentation about what you did. I know you've kind of been successful in that area, so kind of saw what you did, and I was like, man, I think this might be a good move to make. So I reached out to you, and yeah, that's kind of where it took me. And yeah, now you helped me out, and it's been great. So
For sure, for sure. I remember when we first started, I think we were at like only a 3,500 like total credit limit.
yeah, yeah. No, when I first started, like I think I had like one. No, I think I had like two personal credit cards, but like the max was like I think only like $1,500. Like it was
Yep,
nothing.
yep.
Yeah. And then like in a matter of um obviously just because I didn't really have much credit, took a couple months, but um like I was able to get approved up to like I think it was like almost like 30K in like just personal credit in only a matter of a couple months, which was it was awesome. So
Yep, yep. Yeah, we were able to optimize it like from only 3K all the way to 30K like super quick. And that was like what kind of opened your eyes to that, to the possibilities after that?
yeah, well, I just realized if I could do that, like on the personal side of things, definitely possible on the business side of things. The biggest thing that kind of stuck out to me when I was getting to know you and stuff was, you talked about, hey, there's a bunch of opportunities out here and time's money. I mean, you got to be able to capture, what would you say? You got to be able to take advantage of these opportunities when they come by, right? So, um, and sometimes some of these opportunities, right, they require investments, but once you got the funding, that definitely is a game changer because you do have the funds to invest and
Yep.
be able to take advantage of those opportunities. And that really kind of stuck out to me when you're saying, hey, got to take advantage of the opportunities, and definitely wanted to do that and didn't want to miss opportunities. So that's kind of what opened my mind to like the possibilities that comes with the business funding.
Yep, yep. Well, when we were first like, starting off, I remember like, it was kind of hard for us to get to the next step to work together. And after like, talking about it, was it like kind of like, wow, this is kind of hard to believe that's actually possible. But now that you've done it, like what do you think about it now?
Yeah, no, it was a journey. I remember at the beginning, like, yeah, I mean, you were awesome, Ches. Like at the beginning, like just my situation, no, it was tight, but you saw that I was serious and willing to put in the work. So you kept working with me even when I was going through um, just some rough spots financially in my life, but
Yep,
um, it felt like it was gonna take forever, man, to get the business credit. Like it,
yep,
I
yep.
literally, I remember I checked my credit score like every single day.
Every single day.
Yeah, I was checking it, but like, no, I mean, it took a couple weeks, but like, and I learned to be patient, but like it came, and I was super happy when it came. Just because I knew it was possible, but when the day finally came, I was like, oh, like that wasn't that bad. Like I could definitely do that again, and like I once I got into that new position with more business funding, it put me into an even better position to be able to secure more funding as well. So.
Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, would you say like it kind of taught you how to really play the game of business funding, or like what's would you say like your experience in doing this, like running the process once, you'll be able to do this over and over again?
Oh yeah, for sure. Like obviously I had no idea what I was doing, but you were there, you guided me every step. I remember like I would text you every day and you would help me. Like any questions I had, you were always there. And then after I got, my first card, I was like dang, that's not that hard. So
You're like it's game
uh
time.
yeah, yeah. And I'm just like, yeah, let's do it again. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, tell me a little bit about, about what you're working on, like, with the business funding, like how's that help you scale a business or any type of project you're working on?
yeah. So I first I guess yeah, my primary focus has been trading. I kind of looked a little bit into the Forex trading space with the prop firms, and then you kind of also helped introduce me over into the future side of the trading and just trading space. So I looked into a lot of different prop firms with the futures trading, and I've been able to use my business funding to buy a lot of different challenges from different prop firms, and it's been going well. Obviously, trading requires patience, but I've been able to, get some payouts, which has been awesome. So being able to see, being able to see a return on your investment, um, really, it happened a lot faster than I thought too. But being able to have those funds to be able to, buy challenges from those prop firms, um, I was able to buy multiple at once, right? Which I wouldn't have been able to do before. But being able to buy multiple helped get me to a point where I was able to get, uh, payouts faster than I think than I would have before. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That
yeah,
way, man, like when the baby boy comes out, you'll have a great, great father to learn from trading.
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
For sure, for sure. And yeah, what would be something that you would say that, I would have to work on in my business that you would say like, in your experience, like how do I say it? What would you say would be a part of the process that you want me to improve on, like for future?
Um, the only thing I would recommend probably, and I know it'll come as you continue to grow and you have more cases, but just like the processes as far as like um, I guess with guiding people down, I guess I don't know. I think your program was great. Like for me, like it helped me do accomplish everything that I needed to. So but yeah, maybe just like as you grow, just have certain processes in place as far as like, hey, if this happens, um, like do this or something. But I mean, it's been a couple months since that you helped me through. So, and I've seen you've grown quite a bit. But
I appreciate that.
yeah,
I appreciate that. Yeah. Was there like any like unexpected benefits that you got from, working together?
oh, definitely, yeah, there was a ton. You talked to me just about the different things with using the points, the credit points, right, to be able to get different flights, right, which was awesome. Didn't expect that. um, and no, just you're open to let your other members know, hey, these are some investments that I'm looking into. And as far with the trading and stuff, I was mainly focused on the Forex stuff, but you're like, hey, you should check out this thing, the futures trading. And I did. And yeah, no, I mean, it paid off for sure. So you just being open, and I mean, I knew you already said that you would share kind of your investments, but I mean, it still wasn't expected when you reached out and said, hey man, this is going really well. You should look into it. So
Yeah, I appreciate that.
yeah.
I appreciate that. And my last question for you is like, would you recommend this service to others? Like if someone is on like, on the edge about joining, the program, like what would you recommend them?
Yeah, I'd say if you're on the edge um, about joining, I would talk to Ches. He's understanding. Like he was able to adapt to my circumstances that I was in, and he was able to help me out. So um, I would just say, yeah, be willing to work with Ches because he's willing to work with you. If you're serious, right, and you're dedicated and you want to reach your goals, talk to Ches, explain to him your situation. He's understanding, and yeah, just go in with that intense focus because it's like at the same time when you invest in a business, it makes you more serious about your business, right? Because you're like, hey, I've put work into this blood and sweat. And when you get that investment in the business, it just makes you more serious. So
Sir, yes, sir. Appreciate that. And we still have a lot more funding to get for you. Like we will just like whenever you're ready, we'll still get more funding. Like
yeah.
the cap is not just, at 100K, at 150K. There's like an unlimited funding strategy to this.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. And that's like my wife and I, we still have other business plans that, we're looking towards doing, but no, yeah, definitely we'll be coming back for some more. So
I got you, my man. I got you.
yeah.